G'day everyone, it's Shane from FanMaster Australia. Today I wanted to talk about the difference between ventilation and extraction and the relationship between them both. So, what is ventilation? Quite simply, ventilation is air in. It's the process of bringing fresh air into a space to maintain air quality, control temperature, and dilute airborne contaminants like dust, fumes, or CO2. Ventilation improves indoor air quality and is often balanced with extraction, which we'll cover in more detail next. Some examples of ventilation equipment include portable ventilators, compact air blasters, purging fans, and downblast centrifugal roof fans. Now, the opposite of ventilation is extraction, which is simply air out. Extraction is a process of removing stale, hot, or contaminated air from an indoor space, often as part of a much bigger ventilation system. Some examples of ventilation equipment include wall exhaust extraction fans, axial flow fans, hooded roof fans, inline duct fans, and upblast centrifugal roof fans. So, how do ventilation and extraction work together? In industrial and commercial setups, ventilation and extraction go hand in hand. One brings in fresh air, the other moves the stale and contaminated air out. The balance between ventilation and extraction is critical for several important reasons. To ensure effective airflow management, which prevents stagnant air pockets and supporting consistent temperature control. To maintain indoor air quality. To optimize energy efficiency, avoiding unnecessary energy consumption and reducing overall HVAC loads. To maintain building integrity and safety control, humidity, preventing mold and ensuring safe working conditions, and finally, to promote comfort and productivity, which in turn improves worker comfort and boosts productivity. In summary, balanced ventilation and extraction create a healthier, safer, more comfortable work environment, reducing operational costs while boosting productivity. So you want to learn more? Click the link below or call us on 1300 900 345 to find the perfect ventilation solution for your workspace. So next time you think FanMaster, remember, we're more than fans. We're the experts in heating, cooling, and ventilation.